Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious ground beef nachos. First, let's get started with the beef. You'll want to brown 1 pound of ground beef in a large skillet over medium-high heat until it's fully cooked through. Once it's browned, make sure to drain any excess fat. This step is crucial for a less greasy and more enjoyable nacho experience. Then, stir in 1 tablespoon of your favorite taco seasoning for a burst of flavor. Now that your beef is ready, it's time to assemble these amazing nachos. Grab a baking sheet and spread about 6 ounces of your favorite tortilla chips in a single layer. This ensures every chip gets some delicious toppings. Next, sprinkle half of your perfectly seasoned ground beef over the chips. Finally, generously top this layer with about 1 cup of shredded cheddar or Monterey Jack cheese. We're building layers of flavor here. With your nachos assembled, it's time for the oven. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the baking sheet in the oven and bake for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the cheese is beautifully melted and bubbly. You want those chips to be slightly crispy too. Once out of the oven, customize your nachos with your favorite fresh toppings like a dollop of sour cream, a spoonful of salsa, or some sliced jalapenos. And there, you have it, your easy, delicious ground beef nachos are ready to enjoy. Serve them immediately while they're hot, and the cheese is perfectly gooey. For an extra touch, you can offer a variety of additional toppings on the side, allowing everyone to customize their plate. These nachos are fantastic for a quick weeknight meal or as a crowd-pleasing appetizer for any gathering. Enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.